guys, it's your girl Kadisha. How are y'all doing today? I'm doing really well. So today's reaction video, we're gonna do our girl YooA from Oh My Girl. Your girl's super excited. My subscribers told me to react to her, so girl, I got you. We're gonna do her song Voyage. I'm super excited. Before I get started, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. We are on the road to 1,000, so subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. And if you have a video you want me to react to, girl, let me know in the comments below. I totally do not mind. And let's get in with this video because I'm super excited to discover new music from a new girl group. I have not reacted to Oh My Girl on my channel yet. If you guys want me to, let me know in the comments below. I totally do not mind. They seem pretty lit. I seen like pictures and photos of them. I just never really reacted to them or listened to them. So I'm excited. All right. So let's just get into it because I'm rambling way too much. All right. All right, y'all. Let's just get started. I'm super excited. Let's just get into it. Bon voyage. Ooh. Give me a story. Let's turn this up. Love her hair. Love her hair color. Alright. Let's get into it, y'all. Okay. That aesthetic, though. The outfit, though. She looks gorgeous. Whoa! First of all, I be running. There's no way. I be sitting there so calmly. But she looks gorgeous, first of all. Her outfit looks gorgeous. She looks really good, I must say. Love sunflowers. Hey. Got it, girl. She looks super pretty. She's living her life. I love her already. That is a look. I'm living for the aesthetics. I love her outfit though. Her outfit's stunning. Yes, I'm living. Hey. 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 Yeah, I'm living. Hey. Yo, this is fire. I love this. Wow. That's a look. Hey. Hey. Oh, the cute little black wig on her. She looks super cute with black hair, short hair. Living. Oh, that butterfly is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna pause for 2 seconds. But so far the video, I love it. Like, I love the aesthetic, I love the vibe, I love the drums. Give me like a what's it called? Traditional tribal music. I love that. I really do. Alright, let's just get into it. I just thought I should share. Hey. What I love about this song, she's just trying to find herself. Hey. in that outfit though. She looks really good though. Really stunning. You know kind of reminds me of Moana? If you guys seen the Disney movie Moana, kind of reminds me of that. I like that. That was really good. She's so cute. She's adorable. Oh my gosh, guys, I really enjoyed that video. It was really nice, really interesting to see that song. I wasn't expecting it, to be completely honest, but I really liked it. I really enjoyed it. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me a lot, and I'll see you guys later. Toodles!